Hey everybody, this is Ken from RecPro, and today we're going to go over how to replace the powered recliner controllers for our Zero wall hugger recliners. The tools you'll need for this project are a screwdriver or impact for a Phillips head screw, a knife, double-sided tape. This replacement should only take you about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's get straight into it. You'll need to remove the beauty trim off the side panel. This is done by just twisting and pulling it off. There are 2 Phillips screws underneath this that you'll need to remove for this to come out. Go ahead and flip the recliner upside down. This will give you better access to the cords underneath. You'll need to unplug the cord from the back of the power brick. You may have to remove 2 zip ties to get this cord out. There's a power brick for this unit hidden by the fabric on the side. You can either remove the staples along the side or cut the fabric to access this power block. Now that you have access to the power brick, you'll need to remove the 2 staples holding it in place. This is easily done with needle nose pliers or vice grips. Now you need to remove all the wires. The best way to do this is by pulling the panel off the side and slowly feeding the wires through it. Now that you've removed the old power brick, now you just need to feed the new wires back in the same way the old ones came out. Instead of stapling the power brick back to the side, we recommend just using double-sided tape. This will hold just as well and be a lot easier to do. Then you just need to plug the wires back into the power brick in the back of the furniture. Screw your plate back into place and snap your beauty ring back on. As you see, this is a quick and easy fix. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.